Namaskar. Students, today we will see application of determinants. There are three applications. The one which is the first and topmost priority is Cramer's rule, using which we can solve equations simultaneously. There may be two equations in two unknown or three equations in three unknown. Look how it works. Cramer's rule. You got three equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2 and a3x plus b3y plus c3z equal to d3. So there are three equations. What you need, everything that contains x, y, z to be on one side and d1, d2, d3 on another side of equation. Now what you do is you prepare determinant d, which is a coefficient determinant. That is, x coefficient is going to be your first column, y's coefficient going to be a second column and z coefficient is going to be your third column. This is your d. Okay. After that what you do, you prepare dx. कैसे करते हैं? You replace the first column, that is coefficient of x, by this d1, d2, d3. देखो, so जो right side में था उसे यहाँ replace किया है. b1, b2, b3, c1, c2, c3 as it is. You work out and you get some answer. That is up to us when to. Okay. Then comes dy. तो आपको क्या करना है? You replace, yes, it is the coefficient of y column by d1, d2, d3. In this case, you keep a1, a2, a3 as it is, as well as c1, c2, c3 as it is. And ultimately, आपको क्या करना है? dz का मतलब first column, second column वैसे के वैसे रखो and the last column now to be replaced by d1, d2, d3. You need to expand all these determinants to get its values. Now apply the formula. क्या है? x इक्वल टू dx अपॉन डी. जो dx आपने निकाला था, d भी आपके हाथ में है. ख्याल ये होना चाहिए d हैज कम आउट इन द डिनोमिनेटर, सो इट शुड बी नॉन जीरो, तो नॉन सिंगुलर. ओके, dx अपॉन d, y is dy upon d and z is dz upon d, and that gives you solution. One last line. Once you get the solution, see that you substitute it in the equation whether it satisfies or not. If it satisfies, you are 100% right. Students, we see the next application of determinant, consistency of three linear equations in two unknown. Here comes the word consistency. What do you mean by that? Consistent यानी के same performance all the time. In this case, whether in these equations, what do you mean by same performance? So you know that if you have two unknown, you need two equations to solve. But if three equations are given, see, a1x plus b1y c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2 and a3x plus b3y equal to c3. You can choose any of the two to solve and put it in the third whether it satisfies or not. If it satisfies, then they are said to be consistent. तो आप पहले दो या दूसरे दो या पहला और तीसरा कौन सा लेंगे, तो ऐसा कुछ भी करने की जरूरत नहीं. Whether all these they give the same solution can be had by best condition given, that is, you prepare a determinant, you have a1, a2, a3 as the first column coefficient of x, b1, b2, b3 as the coefficient of y, and of course the right side c1, c2, c3 you should put here. Work out this determinant. अगर इसका आंसर 0 आता है तो these equations are consistent, यानी कि उनके x और y किसी दोनों को सॉल्व करने के बाद you get x and y and those x and y can be put in the third equation and it satisfies. Students, we have the third application of determinant, that is finding area of triangle. So आपको एक ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है. You got the coordinates of the vertices ABC, x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. Once you get this, you can directly use the formula. Area of triangle is half of x1, y1, 1, यानी coordinates, और ये लास्ट वाला 1, x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1. इतना सिंपल. देखो, half into x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1. You can work out the determinant and get the answer. अभी ऐसा हो सकता है कि आपका ये एरिया निगेटिव आएगा. See, there are properties of determinant whether in row exchange, that is r1 change to r2, r2 change to r1, sign of the determinant value changes. तो ऐसा हो सकता है जिस कोऑर्डिनेट को आपको x1 y1 बोलना था वो x2 y2 हो गया. तो अगर आपका एरिया निगेटिव आता है, जस्ट फॉरगेट दैट माइनस साइन. तो आपको क्या लेना है, टेक एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ ए, मॉडुलस, टेक एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू. तो आपको पता है एरिया कभी निगेटिव नहीं होता. नंबर 2, इफ योर एरिया कम्स आउट टू बी 0, can you imagine a triangle where area is 0? Never. So in that case triangle does not exist. Points तो 3 है और triangle नहीं है, इसका direct मतलब है points are collinear. So whenever you are asked to prove that 3 points are collinear, this is the best criteria. And what is the criteria? Prove the area of triangle formed by those 3 vertices to be 0 and the points are कोलिनियर. आप इस फॉर्मूला का इस्तेमाल करके यू कैन वर्कआउट एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलैटरल इवन. आपको 4 पॉइंट्स दिए हुए, क्या करना चाहिए, प्रोड्यूस ए डायगोनल. वंस यू ड्रॉ डायगोनल, ए क्वाड्रिलैटरल गेट्स डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स, ट्रायंगल 1, ट्रायंगल 2. सो आप इस ट्रायंगल A1 और A2 सेपरेट एरिया निकालना, सेपरेट निकालने के बाद ऐड करना, लेकिन ऐड करने के पहले ख्याल रहे कि इंडिविजुअल एरियाज आर पॉजिटिव. समटाइम इट मे हैपन दैट द फाइनल आंसर इज पॉजिटिव बट द इंडिविजुअल आंसर्स इज नॉट. सो ऐसे समय ख्याल रखना चाहिए कि एरियाज आर नेवर नेगेटिव. सो इन दिस वीडियो वी हैव कंसिडर्ड एप्लीकेशन ऑफ determinant, in which the first one was Cramer's rule, second was consistency of equation, and of course the third one is area of triangle as well as quadrilateral. I request you to go through the content again and again and wait for the next video. For that you need to press the bell icon and subscribe my channel to get best numerical based on properties of determinant as well as this application. Thank you.